Ready to do 3 painting jobs in one day?
Ready!
Morphle, morph into a paintbrush.
Morph, morph!
Come on, let's get arty.
Oh, ha, ha, ha. Oh, ha, ha, ha.
No!
Whoa! There they are.
Huh?
Hello! Did you like our painting?
You ruined my portrait!
You ruined my car.
You ruined my barn!
I don't understand. Our work was perfect when we left. Wait a minute. Orphle, have you done any painting today?
Yeah, all for painting!
What have you painted?
Picture, car, barn! Painting fun!
Oh, Orphle, you painted some things you weren't supposed to paint. Would you like to help us fix it all?
Yeah!
Great! Morphle and Orphle, morph into paintbrushes!
Morphle and April, morph, morph!
Wonderful! You've really captured my handsomeness.
Huh. Oh, I know! Morphle and Orphle, morph into elephants!
Morphle and April, morph, morph!
Wonderful. You've made my car as good as new.
We need something more powerful than elephants for this. Oh, I know! Morphle and Orphle, morph into fire engines!
Morphle and Orphle, morph, morph!
Wonderful! You've made my barn beautiful again.
Thanks for helping us put everything right, Orphle.
Orphle, great painter! Look!
Come on! We've got a lot of painting to do.
Uh-oh.
Here you go, Giggle Bunny. We don't want you getting hungry and making people laugh too much, do we?
Giggle Bunny and Orphle? He must be using Orphle to find food. Orphle's laughing out of control. Then we have to get them back quick. Let's go! According to the magic pet primer, Gecko Bunny will make you laugh non-stop until you feed him snacks. Well, it's lucky I brought these. Giggle Bunny, don't you want some yummy carrots? They're going to bounce into the lake. Do something, Morphle. We have to to feed these to Gecko Bunny, so we'll stop Orphle laughing. But how?
Wonderful idea! Chick-a-dance!
Gecko Bunny, yummy carrots. They're running out of room. Quick, Morphle, morph into a giant inflatable slide.
Morphle! Oh no!
Oh no! The carrots! What are we going to give Gecko Bunny to eat now? Aha! One of these! A carrot cake! Great idea! Yay! Orphle can stop laughing!
Orphle tired. Ow! Orphle laugh no more.
Poor Orphle.
I told you we'd always catch you if you do mean things, bandits.
Thanks, Mila and Morphle.
If only we had our own morphing magic pet, we could cause more trouble in the city. Look, it's Orphle. Can you get us out of here?
Oh no, my cars!
What? How did you get out of jail? Not in my city.
Oh no, it's Officer Freeze. Quick, Orphle, morph into something big.
T-Rex?
I thought you'd be scarier.
A monkey? Hey, give back my camera.
Please.
Come and get it.
Those bandits used a robot to do this.
A robot? We'll catch them, Mechanic Joe.
The bandits have a scary T-Rex dinosaur.
A dinosaur and a robot? How strange. We'll catch them, Officer Freeze.
Those mean bandits and their naughty monkey put my camera up there.
Let's find those mean bandits, Morphle. A robot, a dinosaur, and a monkey? I think those bandits have Orphle with them. We'll catch them, April.
Oh no, it's Mila and Morphle. Quick, Orphle, morph into something big.
Morphle, morph into a T-Rex too.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
That's not big enough.
Huh?
Morphle, morph into a robot too.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
I don't feel so good. Orphle, stop that.
Okay. Orphle tired now.
I told you we'd always catch you if you do mean things, bandits.
Oh.
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. Morphle, Jordy, shall we play a game?
Yeah!
Yay, Todd!
Great! Come on, Morphle, let's make
Orphle play!
Oh, yes! I've got an idea. You two be Team Orphle, and we'll be Team Morphle.
Yeah! A magic pet team-up!
Come on, Morphle, let's make today magical.
Orphle, morph into a plane so we can speed away.
Oh, Orphle like horsey wings.
Morphle, morph into a dragon so we can fly faster and tag them.
Morphle, morph, morph. Tag.
Nothing like a nice, clean suit, huh, Barky? My nice, clean suit!
Morph into a helicopter, quick!
Rocket faster.
Tag, you're it!
Oh my! Thank you!
Morphle, morph into a space hopper and let's bounce over there.
Morphle, morph, morph.
My nice, clean suit! Again!
Orphle, morph into a race car!
Space Hunter.
Oh, come on!
Uh-oh.
Incoming!
Morphle, morph long arms and catch Team Orphle. They're out of control.
Slow down, Orphle! Help!
We've got to save Jordy. I think that's enough tag for one day.
Me too. My nice, clean suit was... Wait, what's that noise? As I was saying, my nice, clean suit...
Morphle, this flower is going to make our garden even more beautiful. What's that, Professor Paula?
It's my new invention, the multicolor cloner.
Huh?
Watch this. Ta-da!
Wow!
Me.
Orphle? Oh, no!
Uh-oh. Quick, Morphle! After them! We've got to do something. A vacuum cleaner? Good thinking, Morphle. Ugh, we need a better plan. Did you hear that, Morphle? Quick!
Mila, Morphle, help!
Don't worry, Aunt Augustine. We'll help you. I know. Let them eat cake. Morphle, morph into a flying house.
Okay, Mila.
There's lots of cake in here. Ha-ha! Trap them!
No cake! Ice cream!
Well, this didn't work either.
Ice cream! Orphles want ice cream!
Yes! That's how we'll catch them. Morph into a giant ice cream with legs. Orphles, come get some ice cream.
Ice cream!
Morphle, run!
Oh, look, ice cream!
Woohoo! It's working! Keep running, Morphle. The clones have gone.
Woohoo!
Well done, Mila and Morphle.
Orphle wanted ice cream. Ah!
Ice cream! Every day is a magical day with a magic pet.
Oh, pretty! Present from Morphle?
Not yet, Morphle. See, here in Petport, everyone puts their presents under this one big tree. Then we open them all together.
Morphle, wait for everyone.
Orphle, what are you doing here?
Orphle want presents now! All for Orphle!
The presents! Hey!
What the?
Whee! More presents for Orphle!
Humbug!
We need to go fast! Morphle, morph into a snowmobile!
Stop. Go. Stop. Go.
Orphle! Stop!
Not in my city.
Where did he go?
No catch Orphle!
Look out, Orphle!
Whee! Uh-oh!
Oh no!
Oh, pretty! Orphle meant to do that!
Come on, Orphle. Give back the presents now.
Orphle's presents!
Orphle, stop! What's more important to you? Presents or friends?
Presents? Friends! Presents! Friends! Presents! Friends! Orphle's presents!
Morphle, morph into a sled and we'll catch those presents! Yay, we did it, Orphle! Here you go.
Ho, ho, ho!
Oh.
Orphle, sorry! Wanted present too!
Surprise!
Present for Orphle? Orphle love it!
Bah! Humbug!
Mr. Vanderboos, Morphle and I have a present for you. I hope you like it.
Bah! Barky? Aww!
Merry Christmas!
Here, Mila.
Thanks, Daddy.
Oh, balloons!
The garden looks great, Daddy. But I think we need more balloons.
More? I think you're right. Come on, let's get some.
Woohoo! Yeah!
Oh,
Oh no! We've got a flat tire!
Floating air! Uh-oh!
Oh
stop! Whoa!
Help them!
We'll rescue you as soon as we can, Daddy. But first, we need to get that helium from Orphle.
You go, Mila. I'll stay with the van.
Woohoo! Woohoo! What a fun landing! Let's go.
What? Not in my car.
Hey, I've heard of an ice cream float, but this is crazy.
Hang on!
You better be quick, because we're drifting towards the sea.
Huh?
Help!
Uh-oh! April, can I please use your string to stop those cars from floating away?
Sure. You better be quick.
Thanks. I know how we can get them down. I can be a cowgirl and you can be my horse.
Horsey! Yeehaw!
Yeehaw! Giddy up, Morphle! Orphle, hold this. We're not strong enough.
Mila! Help!
I know. Morph into a gorilla and grab those ribbons.
Too hard!
Then morph into a giant gorilla.
Help, Mila! Oh.
Pull them down, Morphle, and we'll let the air out of the tires.
Thanks, Mila.
Thank you for rescuing us.
Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. Ready to go rescue Orphle?
Ready to play hide and seek?
Yay!
Remember, don't leave the yard in case those pesky bandits are on the loose. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come.
Are we there yet? Carry me. I have a better idea. Let's steal that bike.
Found you.
You're too good at this game, Mila.
But I can't find Morphle. Can you see him anywhere?
Nope. He's hiding really well.
Morphle! Morphle! Come out wherever you are. Let's ask Magic Pet Glitterpug to turn us into Morphles. Wow, thanks.
Yay!
I'll morph into a race car to find him quickly.
If I can fly, I'll be able to look for Morphle all over the city. Awesome! I'm a superhero! I see Morphle! But the bandits have him! Oops!
Morphle!
Oh, stop! The bridge is going up. We can make it.
I command you to stop! Hey!
Morphle! Morph into a helicopter to fly over the bridge.
Thanks, Mila. Now we have our own helicopter. Yeah. Hey, what's going on?
I've got an idea. Follow me.
Morphle, no bandit helicopter!
Quick, let's steal these bikes and get away.
Orphle. Jump in. Let's get these bandits back where they belong.
Sorry. Morphle do what Mila say next time.
It's okay. Every day is a magical day with morphing magic friends.
One final touch. Ta-da! Okay, Morphle, carving time! Our pumpkin looks awesome! Yeah!
Wow, great work, you two.
Thanks, Daddy. Oh, Gobble Frog, it's only a Halloween pumpkin. There's nothing to be scared of.
Hey, there's another one under the counter.
Don't forget.
I've got to go pick up Aunt Augustine. We'll see you at the pumpkin competition.
Okay, Daddy.
Pumpkin tiny.
Oh, no.
Welcome to the Halloween pumpkin competition.
Phew. Ha ha ha! Your pumpkin's pathetic. Not for long. Inkra, we need your help, please.
Greetings! I am the Pumpkin Prince, and Petport is now Pumpkin Port.
That doesn't sound good. Hey! Leave them alone! How are we going to stop him, Morphle?
Morphle knife.
Oh, yes! Time to clean up Petport.
Uh-oh. Let me go! My little pumpkin!
Don't worry, everyone. We'll help you. Where's the Pumpkin Prince?
Here I am! Catch!
Pumpkin too big.
You can't stop me!
Gobble Frog, I know you're scared, but we really need your help.
Oh, get off me, you silly frog!
Amy, now!
We don't have any pumpkins left for Halloween.
Happy pumpkin.
Happy Halloween! A bit more wind, please, Catmo. Winston!
My kite is bigger than yours. Watch this. Huh? But it's not windy enough for my kite. I'll give you one of these if you make Catmo turn the weather really windy. What's going on? You did it, Claude! This is the weather I need! Woohoo!
What? Stop annoying Catmo! You're making the weather too windy! Thanks, Thanks, Morphle. Now let's rescue Jordy and Winston.
Whoa!
Phew. Help me! Hang on, Jordy!
My hands are slipping! Wait!
Gotcha.
Thank you. Help me!
Winston's in trouble! Let's go!
Mila, we can't do anything in this wind!
Actually, we can. We can? Yes. We'll use the wind to get us to Winston. Morphle, morph into a hang glider. Let's go! Woohoo! Yeah!
Ah! Well, this can't get any worse. Oh, it's worse!
Ah! Don't worry, Winston. We'll save you.
Oh, hurry up with the saving then.
Got you.
You took your time.
Oh, Winston.
Too windy.
We have to calm Catmo down. Treats for you, Claude.
Look, Catmo was happy and the winds calmed down.
Yay! April!
Morphle, morph into a ball.
I wish I could morph into fun things too.
I've got an idea. Glitter Pug can transform us into magic pets.
Can you turn us into Morphle?
Let's play a game. The one who bounces the highest wins.
Make a morpher!
What? Ah, great!
Morph helicopter!
Whoa! Whoa!
Morphle wing!
Is that Mr. Vanderboos? Oh, this can't be good.
Let's follow them.
Try landing, April.
This is not easy.
Oh no, they hit the crane.
Morph bouncy ball!
Orphle's okay, but the crane's still rocking.
Don't worry, Builder Mary. I am here to help!
Quickly, Morphle! Morph into an airplane!
Phew!
I want to be a robot this time.
Oops! Sorry!
I have another idea to catch him. Let's work together. Stop right there.
No!
Yeah, we did it! You two caused a lot of trouble in the city.
I'm sorry, Mila and Morphle. I shouldn't be a Morphle anymore. Can you transform us back, please, Glitter Pug?
No! I was having so much fun!
It was fun, but being a Morphle was so hard. I'm happy to be myself again.
There can only be one Morphle and one April, and I love you both. Look, Morphle, like this.
Morphle too! Aww.
Don't worry, Morphle. You'll get the hang of it, but you'll never be as good as this little guy. Meet Boba, our newest magic pet. Boba loves blowing bubbles. He tends to bubble over with joy from it. Whoa! See?
That looks like fun. Whee!
Boba, this is high enough.
I can't get out! Morphle, morph into something big!
Huh? Ah! Dump truck! Now Morphle saved Mila! Mila? Uh-oh! Huh?
What is... Huh? Help! Help me!
Morphle, help! Whoa!
Oh no! There's a car falling from the sky! Phew!
There you are, Boba. Listen, you can't just blow your magic bubbles everywhere. It's causing lots of problems.
Daddy!
Morphle, can you pop my bubble? Oh, whew. Thanks, Morphle.
Oh no! Uh-oh.
Mila!
You saved me! Thank you, Morphle.
Yeah!
Nice. I was a bit on the bubble whether I'd see my car again.
Well, Boba, next time you bubble over, please don't take it so literally. Now, Mila, you're not well, so you stay at home and rest.
Mila sick?
Yes, Morphle. I have to go into town to pick up some medicine, so you have to make sure Mila doesn't get into any trouble.
Okay.
But I feel fine.
Down, boy. Get down!
I wonder what's going on.
But Daddy say...
Come on, Morphle. Let's make today magical.
Okay.
Huh? How did Barky get up there?
He was chasing a cat. Can you help him get down, Mila and Morphle?
Sure. Morb into a... Morb?
I think she means morph.
Yes! Morb into a turkey!
Okay.
No! I meant a pterodactyl!
Oh, my cake! My beautiful cake! I'll just have to make another one.
Don't worry, Mr. Vanderboos. We will bring Barky back. Barky! There he is! Oh, a car! It's Morbid time! Morb into a Oh, I was going to say trug. You know, beep, beep, trug.
Mila?
Come on, Morphle. We need to find Barky.
Who Mila talk to?
Oh, there you are, Morphle. Where's Barky?
Bridge!
After him! Barky, hang on! Quick, morph into a dolphin!
Huh?
Oh,
Thanks for saving Barky, Mila and Morphle. Let's get you home, my little fur ball.
Come on, Morphle. Let's see who else needs help. Morbid to,
I think that's enough adventure for one day, Mila. You need some sleep.
Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. Oh no! Look! Builder Mary is wrecking the city! Why would she do that, Morphle?
Not in my city.
Ooh! Zap him with the Hypno Ray, yours! Let her knock down that building.
Knock down the building.
Morphle, morph into a giant robot so you can be as big as the buildings.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
Stop Mary from wrecking the city, Morphle.
Morphle, stop Mary!
No, Morphle! Help her wreck the city!
Okay, Bandit.
Oh no! Morphle has become bad!
Thanks to this Hypno Ray that we stole from Paula the scientist, everybody in the city will have to do what we say! Give us free ice creams!
Free ice cream?
Daddy, the bandits are making everyone destroy the city.
How can we stop them?
I've got a plan.
We're the most brilliant baddies. And it's all because of this Hypno Ray.
Daddy, grab the bandits.
Oh, hey!
Paula, get the Hypno Ray. I'll take this.
Hey!
Quickly, unhypnotize Morphle. Mary?
Huh?
And Officer Freeze. Morphle and Builder Mary, can you please rebuild the city?
Yay! Morphle like building.
Uh-huh.
Officer Freeze, arrest those bandits.
For wrecking the city, you two are going to jail.
Why is everyone doing what Mila tells them to do? Yeah, did you hypnotize them?
We didn't do what Mila said because she hypnotized us. We did it because she had a great plan.
Huh?
Forcing people to do things they don't want to isn't very nice. Great work, everyone.
Every day is a magical day with a magic morphing pet.
This is Robofreeze version 3.0. Very pleased to meet you all.
Hello! Very pleased to meet you too, Robofreeze version 3.0.
Hi, everyone. This is C-Rex.
We're taking him to the beach to meet Troy, his magic match.
According to my pet primer, C-Rex's magic power is controlling water.
Wow!
It's okay. He's still a baby, so can't fully control his powers yet.
Well, keep that water away from Robofreeze. It could make him go haywire.
Affirmative. You're under arrest for splashing me.
Oh no, he's malfunctioned again.
We have to get C-Rex back. Yeah, he's Troy's magic match. Morphle, help! Morphle!
out of my way, citizens.
How are we going to stop them? C-Rex, try using the water from the fountain.
I can't see. This pet is going to jail.
Keep chasing! Yee-haw! We need to get C-Rex to Troy. He's too fast! What are we going to do? Oh, a giant wave! Morphle, morph into a kiteboard.
Riding waves is not permitted.
Whoa! Whoa! C-Rex, stay focused. You can do this. Good job. Grab it! Mila, look, there's Troy. Troy, this is C-Rex, your magic match. Hi, C-Rex. Wow! Amazing!
That pet is still under arrest.
Morphle! C-Rex!
Too much water.
C-Rex, thanks for being so handy. Great work, C-Rex. Aww. Oh, I love Christmas Eve. And it's our first Christmas as a family. Christmas is going to be great because I'm going to take 4 magic pets.
Oh.
With my robot Santa.
Santa?
Merry Christmas, fellow human.
Santa!
That is correct. Would you like to see my sleigh?
Have some more decorations.
I actually like these colors.
Well, that was easy.
Hang on. That doesn't sound good. It's Winston and the Bandits! Merry Christmas to me! Don't worry about us. Rescue the pets! Quick, Morphle! We need to follow that sleigh! Where are they taking them? I think they're heading for the junkyard. Faster, Morphle! Morphle, run! 4 magic pets of my own at last! Not so fast, Winston. Those are our magic pets. Ha! We'll see about that. Robot Santa, activate snowball mode.
Activating snowball mode.
Watch out! What do we do, Mila? I know! Morphle! Morph into a snow spreader! Snowy snow Robot Santa, activate extreme snowball mode! Too snowy! You can do it, Morphle! There's too much snow!
Malfunction. Malfunction. Malfunction.
Do something!
Oh, we can't.
We're frozen! Ah, Claude! Get off me! Are you all okay? Let's get you home where you belong. Morphle, please turn into a reindeer to pull the sleigh. We did it!
Let's finish decorating the tree.
Having fun up there, Morphle? Flying fun! Huh? Look at the size of that cloud. It's raining. But when there's sun and rain, there's a rainbow. Ooh. What's at the end of a rainbow? Whoa, maybe a magic pet. Well, there's only one way to find out. Spinning swing? Okay, Morphle, let's do this. The rainbow ends at the park! I'm getting dizzy! Me too! And it's amazing! Whoa! Can we go down now, please? Let's go to the park! Okay, Mila! Chase that rainbow! Just not too fast! There it is! Where's the rainbow going? I don't know! Keep chasing! The rainbow's disappearing! We're speeding! Rainbow! Wait! No! Jordy, no, sir! Look! It's massive! Here comes the rain! Wow! Look at all the colors! It's amazing! Morphle, could you morph into a plane, please? Welcome to Morphle Airlines. Please fasten your seatbelts and prepare for takeoff. This is incredible! I can't wait to see what's at the end of the rainbow! Me too! Let's land! Do you really think there'll be a new magic pet behind there? I hope so, Jordy. Please, please, please! Catmo? What are you doing here? I think she's just playing. I'm sorry you didn't get to see a new pet, Jordy. But we did have fun chasing this awesome rainbow. I guess. Psst, psst, psst. Huh? Thank you. Rainbow ice cream. Yummy.
Welcome to Petport's annual Super Soccer match between the Morphle Reds, Morphle, Mila, and Jordy, and Magic Pets United, Animi, Inkra, and Telepop. This is a Super Soccer match, so you can't use your hands, but you can use magic power.
And the winning team will get this gold trophy.
Oh. Let's score some goals. And remember, not to use your hands. Yeah, go Morphle! Huh? Where did the ball go? Oh, man!
Come on! Woohoo! That's 1 point for Magic Pets United.
Ready, Morphle?
Ready, Mila.
Animi, you used your hands. Foul for Magic Pets United. Free kick for Morphle Reds.
Yeah!
Halftime.
There's no way we can win. Listen, guys, we may be down, but we're not out. It's not over till it's over. We just have to work as a team. Now, let's go win that trophy. Yeah! Morphle Reds! Morphle Reds! Oh, thanks, Mimi.
No goal! Play on!
Go, Morphle! You can do it!
Let's go!
Whoa! 1-all!
Time!
The game's over? Who won? It's a tie.
What time, Mila?
Both teams win!
Yay!
Where is the other team?